Today, we're talking about what is, hands down, one of the most powerful and completely free tools you have for protecting your financial identity. It's called the credit freeze, and we're going to see how this digital shield can stop identity thieves dead in their tracks. I mean, just think about it for a second. It's a pretty frightening thought, right? That someone could get your personal information and try to open a credit card, get a car loan, or even worse, all under your name. How would you even go about stopping that? Well, the answer is surprisingly simple and incredibly effective. If you have a credit freeze in place, any attempt to open a new account just stops. It hits a solid wall of ice, and that application gets rejected right on the spot. So, what exactly is this thing, this digital padlock? Let's get into the specifics of how a credit freeze actually works and why, honestly, it's such a game changer for your personal security. A credit freeze, you might also hear it called a security freeze, does exactly what it sounds like. It restricts access to your credit report. It's simple. When a lender can't see your credit history, they almost certainly are not going to approve a new line of credit. It's a really powerful way to stop identity thieves right in their tracks. And here's my favorite part, the cost. Thanks to a federal law that was passed back in 2018, placing a freeze, temporarily lifting one, and removing it is now completely free for everyone. That's right, $0 for top-tier protection. The way it works is just a really straightforward defense. So, step 1, a thief gets your info and applies for credit. Step 2, the lender tries to pull your report to check you out, but they're blocked by the freeze. And because of that, step 3, the application is denied. It's a simple, powerful sequence that protects you automatically. Now, you might have heard of other tools out there like credit locks or fraud alerts, and they sound pretty similar, right? But the differences between them are actually critical. So let's break down how a freeze really compares. So you can see right away, a credit freeze is free and it's guaranteed by federal law. A credit lock, on the other hand, is a paid service that the credit bureaus offer. It might be a little faster to manage through an app, sure, but you're paying a monthly fee for something that doesn't have the same legal protections. Fraud alerts are also free and legally backed, but they just put a flag on your account for extra verification. They don't actually block access the way a freeze does. And this right here is the key takeaway. A credit freeze is a legally guaranteed right that costs you nothing. A credit lock is a product that the bureaus sell to you. So for the strongest, no-cost protection, yeah, the freeze is the clear winner. Okay, so you're convinced you want to set up your free credit freeze. The big question is, how do you actually do it? Well, this next section is your actionable guide. Here is a super critical detail about the whole process. There is no central hub. There's no one-stop shop. To be fully protected, you have to contact each of the credit reporting agencies individually to place a freeze. And believe it or not, there are 4 of them. You're probably familiar with the big 3. That's Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. But for complete protection, you should also contact the 4th one, which is called Innovis. Each one maintains a totally separate file on you. The good news is, the process is remarkably fast. If you make your request online or by phone, the freeze has to be placed within just 1 business day. But the real key for convenience is when you need to apply for credit yourself. You can lift that freeze, and they're required to do it within 1 hour. That means you can literally thaw your credit, apply for that car loan, and then refreeze it all in the same afternoon. All right, so you've frozen your reports at the 4 main bureaus. You're all done, right? Not quite. There's actually one more layer of protection that a lot of people miss. And that's because it's not just about loans and credit cards. Identity thieves can cause a whole lot of havoc by opening fraudulent bank accounts in your name, too. This is where a check systems freeze comes in. See, banks and credit unions use this company, Check Systems, to review your banking history when you apply for a new account. So freezing this report is just like freezing your credit report. It blocks fraudsters from opening checking or savings accounts using your identity. It's a really essential and often overlooked step. And this protection extends beyond just you. That same federal law empowers you as a parent or guardian to place a freeze on behalf of your children who are under 16 or for an incapacitated adult in your care. This is a crucial step to prevent child identity theft before it can even get started. So, after seeing how it all works, that it's completely free, and the incredible protection it offers for both you and your family, the question isn't just, is it time? It's why wait? A credit freeze is one of the simplest and strongest steps you can take to secure your financial future.